Very general. You just open your eyes. You might come across a situation in your home itself. There's a wall. No, I'm just shading it to show that it's a wall. No. Can you lean a rod or something? Ladder. Okay, this ladder, I'll place it here. Then in opposite, so we'll do one thing. Let me explain with respect to room, so that will be very easy for you. Let me. Okay, I think in a house you'll be having a room, and the room will have a floor, no doubt. Any room should have all those things. So there's a room. So this will be floor, no? So we'll call this as a floor. These are the walls. Wall 1, wall 2. So you can lean a ladder like this. You can make the ladder to lean again this wall. And you are going to keep a ladder on the ladder and let it lean against the wall 2. Is there any difference between ladder 1 and ladder 2? Sir, it's a red color, green color. I am not asking color. I am asking about their orientation. So this makes an angle theta 2 with horizontal, and it is positive. No, what about this? It will make an angle theta 1 which is more than 90 degrees, or nothing but you are going to measure this alpha. Tell me what you can say the slope of this tan theta 2. What is the slope of this? Tan theta 1 or minus of tan alpha 1. They're leaned against the wall. So this orientation is different. No, this angle is different. This angle is different. I have to express. So what is the slope of this ladder? So I said tan theta 2. What is the slope of this ladder? Minus tan alpha 1. Why negative? Because alpha 1 measured in clockwise. Very simple. Or tan theta 1. Slope of this ladder. Slope means, again, sir, what do you mean by slope? The steep. So what is the steepness? Measure of steepness. That's why in the science department we have to express some quantities like this. That's why we have brought here all these ideas. So what is the slope made by slope of ladder 2? Then slope of ladder 1. So slope of ladder 2 is tan theta. Slope of ladder is tan of minus alpha 1. Or able to understand this? So definitely year afterwards, if you see in a curve, so if you come across any curve like this, if you see a curve like this, what is the slope of that? Positive. If you see a curve like this, what is the slope of that? Will be negative. Positive slope, negative slope. I think that this idea is very, very important for us. In the quadrant, if you see a curve like this, a straight line, so then you can easily say that one. So this particular red color line is having positive slope. This is having positive slope, and this is having the negative slope. Very general. I think you can take pen, pencil, keep it at corner in a room. Need not be, sir, I'm not having ladder, rod or some stick. Anything it can be. Or simple, you take pen, pencil, keep it at corner. You can make them lean, no? Then ask yourself, what is the slope of that what we are learning? Physics is all about the application part, not like mathematics here. I'm making things clear. All you just, your home itself is a lab, physics lab. You need not to go to do research, sir. I'll go to the University of Texas. I'll go to IITs to do research. Your home is a research lab. Sitting at your home, you can do research of physics. So many things, so many objects around you, what happen? All will help you to learn science beautifully. Okay, after learning this, y equal to minus 2x plus 3. Okay, we'll take the y equal to 2x minus 6. We'll plot the curve and we'll try to locate the slope or other things. I just tabulated the certain values. So y equal to x equal to 0. What is the corresponding values of y? Now look at the x here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So look at the y, 6 minus 6. So again here choose x-axis 1 unit, 1 centimeter, y-axis 1 unit, 2 centimeter. Then corresponding points x equal to 0. X equal 0, y will be minus 6. X equal to 1, y will be minus 4. X equal to 2, y will be minus 2. X equal to 3, it will be 0. X equal to 4, it will be 2. X equal to 5, it will be 4. X equal to 6, it will be 6. The experimental curve will bring it here. The green color line is what I'm showing. I'll join all the dots, we'll get a curve like this. Okay, let's calculate again the slope. We are more interested in that slope. Because finally, in the kinematics, when I go no, I need this slope idea. That's why I'm just focusing more on this one. Just I'm highlighting the triangle, so that will be easy for you to make observation. You can draw even small triangle also. No. So let me choose 2 points on a curve. Corresponding to that, we'll get the value of x1 and x2. So the 2 points are first the A, B. Corresponding to A, this is x1. Then this will be y1. Corresponding to B, this will be x2. And this will be y2. Y2, this is x2. This will be x1. How we define? So this is the slope is what we'll call this is theta. Then this everything will be delta y. This difference will be delta x till here. Slope is equal to delta y by delta x, or nothing but tan theta. In general, tan theta, y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. There's a general definition of slope. Now, what is y2? Y2 is 4. What is value of y1? Minus 4. I think you have to be very careful. The corresponding value of y1 is how much? Minus 4, no? Here it is there. Then x2, value of x2 is plus 5. x1 will be plus 1. So this will be 4 minus 4, this will be 8. 8 by 6. 4 plus 4 will be 8. 5 minus 1 will be 4. So I got plus 2. What is the slope of this curve? Plus 2. Then how much of angle it will make with the horizontal? Tan theta, I think we had a value of tan theta, 63.43 degrees. So how much of angle it will make? Theta equal to 63.43 degrees. This straight line will make an angle 63.43 degrees with the horizontal. What is the value of slope? Slope is equal to 2. So look at it's having negative y-intercept. No? And what is this quantity? Slope. So in the equation, y equal to 2x minus 6. So what is the slope? This is the slope and this is the negative intercept. Or if you can rewrite you can rewrite this as y equal to now you make it. Look at the intercept. This is called as a slope. Agreed? No. Straight line with positive slope, negative intercept. We'll take the next condition. Now, if you see this curve here, y equal to minus 2x minus 3. Plot the curve for given equation. Then I'll push it down. Now, what is the interpretation of this? Like put x equals 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Corresponding values of y is what I tabulated. Well, we'll locate the points. Put x equal to 0, y will be minus 3. No, we'll look at all the corresponding points. X equal to 0, it will be minus 3. X equal to 1, minus 5. Some rough curve may not be. X equal to 2, minus 7. X equal to 3, minus 9. X equal to 4, minus 11. X equal to 5, minus 13. X equal to 6, 15. It's a rough plot because the scale I didn't choose properly. See this one. Okay, now look at the curve now. It is there in the fourth quadrant. Then again, sir, like, can you show graphically to get the slope? We have to choose 2 points, A and B. Let me choose 2 points, A and B. These are the two points I chosen. So corresponding to them, here we'll have x1. This will be y1. This will be x2. Corresponding to that, here will be y2. So therefore, this will become delta y, delta x. So then we'll define. So can you draw that triangle? I used to draw that triangles. Okay, we'll draw here also the same thing. It will help you to define that angle very clearly. Okay, this is the theta, we'll bring it. And this value is delta y, this delta x. So then slope equal to tan theta equal to delta y by delta x, which is y2 minus y1, x2 minus x1. Value of y2. Now, sir, what are the values of y2, y1? So x equal to 5. So look at these values. And x equal to, these are the values. Y2 is how much? Minus 13. Y1 is how much? Minus 7. X2 is how much? X2 is 5. X1 is 2. So minus 20. So sorry. Minus 13 plus 7 will be minus 6. 5 minus 2 will be plus 3. So this will be slope minus 2. So even you can calculate the negative slope, you can see clearly. And tan theta value. So theta is equal to how much? Minus of 63 degrees. 63.5. Negative you have to put it. Because theta you're going to measure in opposite sense. Tan theta equal to minus 2. So theta will be minus of 63.43 degrees. So again in the equation, y equal to 2x minus 3. So what do this minus 2 indicate? Slope. And what do this minus 3 indicates? Will be intercept. It should be, I'll write it in proper form. What do this minus 2 indicate? Slope. This will indicate the intercept. So the negative slope, negative intercept. Positive slope, positive intercept. Positive slope, negative intercept. Negative slope, positive slope. All four possibilities are there. That four graphs is what we have shown here. So again here negative slope, what does it mean? As the x increases, the y value will in fact decrease, because negative, no? Here also the same condition. For all the negative slope curves, as the x increases, the value of y will decrease, because negative value is increasing. Negative value is increasing means nothing but positive value of y decreasing, the interpretation. We'll take the next one. Okay, I have certain question here. There are four curves they have shown. You can see red, blue, green, different colors, straight lines are there. We have to calculate the brown color. Let me draw it. We have to generate the equation of straight line. So earlier what we did, if they give equation, how to plot the curve and how to get the slope. Now that is the equations are given. How to get the slope. Okay, first I think better to choose one by one rather than all three at a time. We'll start for the A, the straight line A. Let me take it out all these things, so it'll be very easy for you. Yeah. And now you can see this. This is x is in centimeter. This is y. Equation of straight line is a straight line passing through origin. This is that curve. So he is asking you to generate equation. So what is the first thing is, first we'll calculate the slope. I think you have to be a little bit extra alert here. That's all. Just be alert. How to calculate the slope? You choose two experimental points. Any two. So these are the two experimental points, and we do go for a small triangle. No? Sir, what should be the size of triangle? It can be anything, but it should be within the limits of experimental points. So this is point A. This is theta you define. This is delta y, delta x. So this is x2, corresponding to that y2. This is x1, this will be y1. So slope is equal to, we are starting the problem from here for A. So what is the value of slope? Slope should be equal to y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. I'll go by definition. Tan theta, this should be equal to delta y by delta x. This should be equal to y2 by y1, x2 minus x1. What is the value of y2? Y2 is 15. Y1 is 9. X2 is 8. This is 4. So 15 minus 9. 7 it will be. Sorry, 6 it will be. 8 minus 4, 4. So slope is how much? 3 by 2. Or 1.5. I'm not asking theta. Theta, if you want to take calculate and work out. Sir, can you show theta? Tan inverse of 1.5, we have to do it. We have to just show the tan inverse of 1.2. 1.5, sorry. 56 degrees, 56.3 degrees, it will come 56.31 degrees. So what is the value of theta? We know tan theta equal to 1.5. Theta equal to tan inverse of 1.5. This should be equal to 56.31 degrees. I took calculator and verified. Not possible. Or else you should go for trigonometry and you should work out. Then we wanted equation of straight line. So what is the general formula for equation of straight line? It should be like y is equal to mx plus c. This m is nothing but slope. The value of m is nothing but slope. So what is m equal to here? 1.5. You are going to write it as into x. What is the intercept? Put x equal to 0. What is value of y? Y will be 0, no? This is the equation of straight line for straight line A. So if they give curve, you should know how to get the equation. For that, what you should know, what you should find out, there's a general form, y equal to mx plus. Calculate the slope and intercept. That value substitute here. This is very important. I'm suggesting you, student has to learn. There's no other way. Next, again, we'll choose the straight line B. Let me save all the content. Yeah, I mean, let me introduce one page, extra page. Let's begin now. What we are doing, we are going for equation for straight line B, will take it. I'll take it out all these things so that they will not disturb us. I think we have to be a little bit alert. Carefully, you have to look at the thing. So there's a straight line B. So 2 points are something we have to calculate slope. That's all. We know what is intercept. It is getting got disturbed. I think we are very sure what is the intercept. Intercept is 12. Are you seeing this? So 2 points again this is for B. It is. No, we'll go for that small triangle because that was helping us a lot. Sir, what is the triangle? So can you choose here? Yes, you can choose even the very small triangle, but the values will be a little bit difficult. So let me choose a triangle of like this. And corresponding value of this y2, y1, x1, x2. So this is delta y, delta x, this is theta. Then slope m is equal to tan theta which equal to delta y by delta x, y2 by y1, x2 minus x1. What is y2? Y2 is 18 minus 15, x2 is 12 minus 6. This will be 3 by 6. It's having less slope. So then tan theta is this much. So can we get the angle theta? .57 degrees it will be. So tan theta is equal to, I'm ending up with minus 1 by 2. Sorry, plus 1 by 2 or 0.5 it is. Theta equal to tan inverse of 0.5. So the angle will be 26.57 degrees. Less steeper compared to A, if you compare that one. And then whatever the intercept, at x equal to 0, when x equals 0, what is the value of y? Y is 12, no? Then what is our equation? Y equal to mx plus c. Value of m is how much? 1 by 2. this x, intercept is 12. So the equation is 0.5x plus 12. Equation of straight line. For straight line B, there's a method of writing it. I will take the remaining two lines. Let me adjust. I think they got disturbed like anything. A, B. Okay, this D, A, B. Only C will be there. Now this will be. This will be those who know all these things. You can directly go for the next topic. There's no rule that you must compulsory watch all these things. This is straight line C. Now we have to write we have to generate the equation. I think a little bit we have to be careful here. So again, draw that. You can go for the small triangle or bigger triangle. Let me choose a triangle like this. Corresponding to x1, you have to look at the y1. So x1 should be lower value. So if this is x1, corresponding to that, this is y1. If this is x2, corresponding to this is y2. I think that's very important. Y1 will be above, y2 will be below. And this is delta y, delta x, this is theta. Then again, as usual, our tan theta, m equal to slope equal to tan theta should be equal to delta y by delta x. So y2 minus y1, x2 minus x1. What is the value of y2? 9. What is the value of y1? 15. x2 is 8. This is 4. 15 minus 9 will be 6. Minus 6, this will be 4. So minus of 1.5. What about intercept? Intercept should be 21. So the intercept is 21. So y equal to here mx plus c. The value of m is how much? Minus 1.5. What is the value of c? C is 21. C is 21. Okay, look at this one. Equation of a curve like this, we can determine. Huh? So these are the ways of working out problem. The other one, D, you work out. Huh? Let me go for the other one you work out. Let me show for this how to, if they give curve like this. First we'll go for the getting the slope. We should calculate the slope and the intercept. So corresponding for, let me choose this is x1. I'll look at the corresponding value of y1. Corresponding when x1 equal to 4, y1 will be 6. When x2 equal to 6, the y2 will be 4. This is theta. This will be delta y, delta x. So tan theta. So the definition m equal to tan theta, which is slope, which is equal to delta y by delta x, y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. Y2 is 6 minus 4, x2 is 6 minus 4. So this will become 1. So what is the magnitude of slope? It will be, it is equal to 1. So what is the value of slope? Slope is equal to 1. So therefore tan theta, theta will be 45 degrees. Tan m is equal to 1 or tan theta, let me write here, tan theta equal to 1 or theta equal to tan inverse of 1, which is 45 degrees. But it should be negative, no? Here, I think y2 is, sorry, this is 4, this is 6. So this will become -1. Slope is negative. So theta tan inverse of -1 will be -45 degrees or minus pi by 4. Okay, I got the like a slope. How to get the intercept? Again, I'm going to take help of this one. So you do one thing, you extend this line. Call that intercept as C. We don't know that value, so see that one. So now this is 0, no? So call this is x dash, x1 dash. Corresponding to that, you locate y1 dash, and what is y1 dash? C. Choose any point. Let me choose point. So corresponding to x2 dash, you are going to choose, this is y2 dash. Then here you bring one more triangle. Every time you need not to draw a triangle to make students to think, analyze is what I'm taking help of. The same theta, the slope should be same, no? No. So looking at that triangle, so can you, this distance will be delta y dash, tan theta equal to delta y dash by delta x dash. This is delta x dash. This distance is delta y dash. So delta y dash means what we write, y2 dash minus y1 dash, x2 dash minus x1 dash. Tan theta value we know, it is equal to -1. Is equal to y2 dash is 8. This is C. x2 dash 2, x1 dash is 0. So finally, how much we are getting? -2 equal to 8 minus C. So C equal to 8 plus 2, 10. What is the intercept? C will be 10. Sir, I will produce this line. If you have a scale, okay. If you don't have scale, you can't take a risk of that it will intersect at 10 only. What is our equation of straight line? Y equal to mx plus C. In place of m, what we have? -1, x plus 10. If they give equation, you should know how to plot the curve. If they give a curve, how to generate an equation. So that is what you are supposed to learn.